like oyster cards in there?
Yeah. We've got a traffic light.
Okay, let's walk towards the station.
Okay.
Wonderful. Just like I would have at your here. Like this. Because then we could have that in frame. We could have him like this, and like Nathan can run past him.
Yeah.
And then we can get the all in just like this one shot of just like, so you get like, so he runs down slow motion.
Would Nathan then spin and draw the John?
No, he just runs straight past him. And then yeah, we just like, we grab. So just 2 shots. Yeah.
On the stairs.
Yeah, I'm happy with this line. Your kung fu one. And then yeah, in the next shot, John T. In the next shot, John T, we'll have him here, and we'll have like, it's nothing!
What's that accent?
It's you.
It sounds just like you.
Yeah.
Sounds nothing like it.
Nothing.
It's nothing. It's nouts!
He's out!
You can find me a way. I'm trying to plug in the light in the hallway there. Find me a way to plug that in.
No, wait, there's way more of this in there.
I'll just stand here.
This is really comfy, yeah.
I'll just casually stand here.
We'll just break your legs in, that's fine. No problem. Don't mind me. I'm free. Freedom, America.
Down.
Not awkward at all. I'm elegant. Hey, Nathan.
Yeah.
So what you're doing, right, is that this doorway is what you're in. You don't give a crap. Sorry, you don't give a poop about anything other than the Christmas tree in there. Like your dad is here, you don't care. You don't care. So you're coming from those little stairs there, and you're just gonna kind of. So maybe you want to get.
Can you dim that light down for me?
No.
Okay, we're back.
Maybe like that. Really bad at this whole thing, direction.
Show me to the camera.
We could just see the stairs as well.
Okay.
Yeah, oh yeah, you're mad happy. Just one shot. 1, 2.
And let's see you run downstairs one more time for me.
4, 5, yeah. And then the last shot is just.
No.
Ready, Kieran?
Okay, speed in.
And Nathan! I don't know what's good.
One more.
One more. One more. Okay, don't pull the head in so hard either. Just dip the legs a bit more.
Yeah.
Just keep yourself as small in the frame as possible. Okay.
Okay.
Ready, Kieran? And take it away, Nate.
Alright,
There we go.
One more super quick and we'll get to go.
Okay. Biggest one in the meeting. One more.
Okay, speeding. And action. Cool.
Great. Kieran, I think we're going to need the widest lens you've got for this shot, because I want to be able to get the...
Great.
Okay.
Okay, give me 1 minute, I just wanna...
Like this, I just slap him and
Bad Nathan. Not beat your father. This is Nathan, he's an Asperger. He suffers from a rare disorder, and he's incapable of empathy.
This is it, yeah?
Yes. The more you look like Daffy Duck, the better. Johnson's just my fave.
Look what Santa got you for Christmas!
How do you do, Kieran?
That's good, let's go
First
again.
places again.
Okay, speeding. Action.
Look what Santa got you for Christmas!
Okay, one more, and we'll have Johnny start.
I was not expecting
Yeah.
that actually.
Sorry. Rolling action.
Look what Santa got you for Christmas!
The man's the devil. Okay.
I need one more, I think John's the best up.
It's nothing.
You're not going to get all of that, are you?
No.
It's going to be like the catchphrase.
There are only 2 lines in the video, so yeah.
Yeah, it's Christmas fun going in, or
Yeah,
forget it.
No, Christmas one's going in. I can get it. We need to get that floor.
Yeah, so it might be that next one sort of runs through my shoulder, place me going over the shoulder, I think. It's going to take a little take to be like dead over the shoulder.
I kind of like that. Though. Okay, let's go show me what you can get play out.
Okay, we'll see how we
Let's
do.
move on,
Yeah. Okay, great. Cool. Okay, Nathan, can I just see you standing on that line there? Perfect.
It's nothing!
That's good one. That's good with me. Action.
It's nothing!
I was trying to look at the camera then. Sorry.
It's nothing! It's nothing! Hey! Oh, hey! I nearly fell over.
No, you made it. You're upsetting me, Jonty. Jonty, please. Jonty, please don't.
Come on, son!
Oh, God.
Nathan, if you take a couple steps, come all the way to the top of the steps.
You're killing me, man.
Kieran?
Again, do one more time.
One more time, just one more, and then we have to cut anyway.
Yeah, great. Breathing and action.
You're adopted. Alright, bye.
Yeah, I'll
Don't
see
lick
you.
my stuff, you. I know what you're like.
I'm such a rebel.
I do like Steven.
No, seriously, I'm having
Yeah.
the TV.